आप लोग all good? Okay. In class 3 science topic, the topic is bird. It's your new chapter. So let's start about the part of the bird first. Is it okay?
Yes.
Can we start? Can we start or not?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start. This is the diagram of the bird. This is the figure of the bird. Okay, it's a good sketch for me. I know I am a science student. Okay, like the humans have the head. Do you have head or not? Yes, you have head. Similarly, the birds have the head. Name is crown. Crown. Its name is crown. Like the human beings and another animals, bird have also eye as well as the eyebrows. But the eyebrows are known as the eye strips. Eyebrows are known as the eye strips. This is the eye. Just below the eye, there is a patch, दाग धब्बा टाइप का होता है, which is known as the ear. छोटा सा होल होता है, that is known as the patch. Okay. A very small tiny hole of the ear which is known as the ear patch. Next one is this portion जिसको आप हिंदी में चोंच कहते हैं, जिससे ये खाना खाते हैं. They used to eat anything from this part. This is known as beak. But in science, the beak have the two part. First one is known as the upper mandible. The upper mandible. At the upper mandible, there is a hole which is known as the nose. That is known as the nose. Next one is lower mandible. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Just like humans have the throat, gala. Bird have also the throat just below their beak. Similarly, we have the chest, but the bird have the breast. Birds have the breast. After breast, there is a stomach we have, which is also known as the belly. So the birds have throat, chest, as well as the belly. This is known as the belly. Bird have a very strong leg to hold anything when they used to sit on trees. This is known as the tarsus. 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 What is the name of the leg? Tarsus. Bird leg is known as tarsus. उसको हम लोग लेग या फुट नहीं कहते हैं. That is known as the tarsus. Okay. Now come to the point. This whole thing is known as the wing feather through which the bird used to fly. Okay. So this part is known as the wing bars. The last edge of the wing is known as the primary feather. This is the tail, which is known as the outer tail. That is known as the outer tail. Like the humans, bird have also their back, feet, and that back is known as the ram. So we had studied all the part of the bird. Crown. This is crown. Eye strip. हम लोग इसको eyebrows कहते हैं, but bird have the eye strip. Nose को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? bird के nose को, nose या mouth के portion को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? beak. This is known as the upper mandible, lower mandible, nose, throat, breast, belly. Nose, throat, breast, belly. And the leg portion is known as tarsus. Wings have the two part, wing bars. These are known as the wing bars. and this is known as the lower portion is known as the primary feathers. Primary feathers, outer tail, and this is known as the ram. Now, what you have to know, how bird used to fly. Can we fly in sky? क्या हम लोग उड़ सकते हैं हवा में? But bird used to fly in sky easily. Why? Because they have different features than another animals. They have different body structure than the humans and another animals that don't used to fly in sky. There are three main features we have for the birds, which due to which it easily fly in the sky. First is it have hollow bone. It have hollow bone, मतलब खोखला हड्डी. अगर हड्डी पूरा भरा हुआ हो तो उसमें वजन ज्यादा होगा, वेट, तो आप इजीली फ्लाई नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो बर्ड हैव hollow bone which help to fly easily and their weight is very light. Light means हल्का, वजन उसका बहुत कम होगा. Is it okay?
Yes.
What you have the first feature of the bird which help to fly? First one is hollow bones. First one is
Hollow bones.
why hollow bones and how hollow bones help? Hollow bone help bird to fly to decrease their body weight. To decrease their body weight. अब हम लोग का क्या है, बॉडी वेट ही इतना ज्यादा है कि हम लोग उड़ ही नहीं पाएंगे. उड़ेंगे फटाम से गिर जाएंगे. Why? Because our body weight is very high compared to the birds. Why? Because bird have the hollow bones, but we don't have hollow bones. हमारे बोन में ठूस ठूस के कैल्शियम भरा हुआ है. क्या भरा हुआ है? कैल्शियम. That's why our body weight is very high due to the fulfill complete bone we have. Second word is streamlined body structure. Streamline किसको कहते हैं जरा देखिए. आप लोग पानी में कभी नाव बनाए हैं? नाव आगे से क्या होता है, इस तरीके से रहता है, आगे से शार्प रहता है, बीच में थोड़ा सा मोटा रहता है और फिर पीछे से क्या रहता है, शार्प. तो ये इजीली पानी में ऐसे चला जाएगा. क्या हो अगर बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा हो, ऐसे, तो पानी में क्या होगा, हमें ज्यादा धक्का लगेगा, स्ट्राइक करेगा, वो इजीली नहीं जा सकता है ना. इसीलिए ये स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे होना चाहिए, है ना. दिस इज नोन एज स्ट्रीमलाइन स्ट्रक्चर. दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज स्ट्रीमलाइन स्ट्रक्चर. आगे से बिल्कुल पतला, पीछे भी पतला और बीच में हल्का सा मोटा. दिस पोर्शन इज नोन एज अ ग्रीप. दिस इज नोन एज अ ग्रीप. ओके, इसको आप शार्प नोज कह सकते हैं, टिप, शार्प नोज अदरवाइज टिप. एंड बीच वाला जो पोर्शन थोड़ा मोटा है, जरा देखिए, मोटा है ना, इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, ग्रीप. दिस इज नोन एज द ग्रीप पोर्शन. वो जो सेंटर का पोर्शन है, दिस इज नोन एज ग्रीप. ये आगे का शार्प होता है, ये थोड़ा मोटा होता है और फिर पीछे पतला होता है. टिप, ग्रीप एंड अगेन टेल. दिस इज नोन एज स्ट्रीमलाइन स्ट्रक्चर. दैट्स व्हाई इट इजीली पास थ्रू द एयर. इट इजीली पास थ्रू द एयर. नाव हम लोग जो चलाते हैं पानी के अंदर, द सेम इट हैव द स्ट्रीमलाइन स्ट्रक्चर. दैट्स व्हाई इट इजीली sail into the water. And the third feature is powerful wing muscles. Powerful wing muscles. ये जो मान लो कि हमारे पास जो हैंड है, ऐसे अगर ये बहुत पावरफुल मसल से जुड़ जाए तो हम लोग कंटिन्यूअसली इसको ऐसे ऐसे चलाएंगे और ये थकेंगे नहीं, है ना. Birds used to fly through their wings like this, twink, 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 but they don't get tired. Why? Because of the powerful wing muscles which is attached with the wings and the body. तो यहाँ ये जो wings होता है, पंख जो होता है, वो जुड़ा हुआ रहता है उसके बॉडी से एक बहुत मजबूत मसल से, very strong muscles. That's why there are the three features due to which the birds easily fly in the sky, but we don't easily fly in the sky. First thing is that hollow bones. First is hollow bones, which keep its body weight is light. Second one is streamlined body structure, which easily help to fly in the sky. And the third one is powerful wing muscles, due to which they don't get tired and easily fly continuously their wings. they do up and down their wings continuously. That's why the bird used to fly, but we don't. It's okay?
Yes, sir.
Done?